welcome to ZTL headquarters. We finally get you here. Please wear this visitor badge to your visiting. Let's move to the third floor to our meeting rooms, so you can leave your bag and just take a rest. Please come this way. We'll go to the sales department. In sales department, we have a very open and modern working environment. Now we work with nearly 1,000 customers from 14 countries. 10 years ago, the number was 0. And our salespeople work really hard to ensure a quick response to customer demand. Let's move to the meeting room. It's interesting. We have 2 meeting rooms here. Last year we decided to give them some names. We call Mars and Jupiter. So welcome to land of Mars. Thank you. During the rest, I will show you a video of ZTL headquarters and updates. I will make a brief introduction. Even though we have been working for a long time, but this is the first time we get a chance to introduce us to you face to face, so I cannot miss these opportunities. Come and say hello to Molly. Molly is the tortoise. She's 9 years old, but she has been at ZTL longer than me actually. She has a pig nose, if you can see it. Okay, and over there we have a reading arrow, and outside we have a small gym. Sometimes due to the time difference, we work a long day, so relaxing during the breaks can help us to keep our mind and the body fresh. Okay, please go this side. There we have a sample shelf where you can see our past work. Some samples we made before. So here we have some 5-axis CNC machine works, and also like finishing for anodizing, and also like 3D printing and injection molding, etc. Okay. This one is a prize, I could say, a prize we made for a company. It's very unique structure.